Hey, what's going on, party people? I'm Mike and I make custom AI chatbots using the OpenAI API. So it's like a version of ChatGPT that is specifically for your company. Now, I made a demo for this marketing agency. And the reason I'm making free demos for marketing agencies is because I'm hoping to find some that are willing to partner with me to offer my services to their clients under their brand. And also just to give me guidance because I'm a confused soul alone in the universe. So let's start with the creative marketing knowledge bot. The reason it's called knowledge bot is because it's connected to a knowledge graph of the company. Now, if the knowledge graph is comprehensive, it can answer just about any question about the company. But because this is just a free demo, I don't know if they're truly interested or not. I didn't spend that much time on it. I pretty much did like a basic scrape of their website and just turned it into a JSON LD graph. But let's see what sorts of things it has to tell us. Where is Yes Creative Marketing located? Sweet. Who is the founder? Shannon Christie. What services do they provide? Well, that is a comprehensive list of marketing services. That is pretty cool. Why should I choose them over other marketing agencies? Hmm. It has decided to take some time. I guess, when it doesn't have an answer, it takes a little longer. I wonder what is going on in the back end. I think that it does multiple searches across the vector database. When one doesn't come up with any good answers, it tries again a few times. Now, just to clarify, these are all things that I created from scratch. I don't use any platforms or anything like that. It's not like I just know how to adjust some certain settings. I can adjust absolutely any aspect of this, which is why sometimes it doesn't look 100% polished. There's a million different bugs and things that I should improve. However, um, I like to get some direction from a client or a partner in terms of what to prioritize for improvement. So not exactly a good answer there, but if the knowledge graph is more comprehensive, I think you would have no problem giving you the reasons, or I can just adjust the system prompts as well, which ideally is what should happen here, because one of the benefits of having a custom chatbot is, I mean, if somebody's asking about your business in ChatGPT or in Google AI mode, um, they have to be neutral. They can't say that you're the best company ever and that only an idiot would choose a different company. But your custom chatbot can take that very opinionated tone for the sake of sales. Okay, so the Feedbot is connected to their blog as long as they have a WordPress blog that is set up with the typical URL structure. Um, what happened here? Did we lose? There we go. Um, so it will ask you for a topic and AI visibility. That's my pet topic at the moment. Okay, it should really, I need to make it so that it doesn't. anything about AI visibility, generative engine optimization, or JSON LD. Now it's going to pull in the titles, an excerpt, and a link to the blog posts. Let's see. Yes, indeed. It did do that. Now it could easily pull in the entire content of the blog post. I don't do that just because I don't want people thinking that I'm trying to steal their content. That's not the plan here. But if this was embedded in their website and they wanted that, it would be very easy to make it do that. Postmaker Bots is meant to be for internal use inside of the company. It's to you have a chat with it to write a blog post, and it should be a blog post that's appropriate for this company, and it has the targeted SEO keywords that it weaves into the blog post. It can then just post directly onto WordPress straight from the chat. Um, and it also is going to link to appropriate pages and posts so that it benefits your internal linking structure. Okay, the browser bot is connected to the pages of the website. And again, I think I mentioned earlier, these can be reintegrated in any way whatsoever. So this is just to demonstrate the capability, and then I would love suggestions on how it should function. Um, so this could be combined with the knowledge bot so that it answers your question directly and simultaneously gives you the most appropriate page. Now these pages are filtered. It's not showing me 100% of the pages on there. I can filter it and change the filter in any way, or make it list every single page, or have it only list specific pages chosen by the client. So let's find out about their marketing consulting services. It's going to take all of the content on the page and pull it into the chat. So I can continue on asking questions based on the information that is pulled into the chat. Otherwise, I can also click on the link and go to that page. Okay, and last we have the review bot, and the review bot is meant to not really get you more reviews. I think if somebody's gonna use the review bot, they've already agreed to make a review, so they could just go directly on Google and leave their review. But what we're trying to do is get more value, get more SEO value from each review, because your reviews are very important for which terms you rank for. So what the review bot does is it asks three simple questions, and so you can steer people towards talking about certain topics based on the questions you ask, and then it crafts a review for them based on their answers. But it also weaves in a natural sounding way the targeted SEO keywords into the final review. Yes, it did. However, they're extremely responsive. Unbelievably high ROI. Okay, so now that I've answered the three questions, it's going to craft that review, give me a convenient copy button, and then I just click here to bring me to the Google page where I can leave a review for them. And that is gonna do it. Thank you so much for watching.